welcome you to this COLLIN Lab Pilot Solutions Gala dinner we have here in our new building. So what we also celebrate today is that it's 5 years ago that we took over the company. What are the facts now? The turnover this year, in this business year, which will end at the end of April, we estimate a turnover more than 25 million euros. So that means in this business year, a jump in turnover by 5 million euros. And we achieved this turnover with around about 125 employees. What we also did in the last 5 years, we totally redeveloped our product portfolio. We have around about 4,200 square meters production area. Thank you for listening to me. Let's have a great evening. Thank you.
How do you see the development on the global extrusion market? Which trends are there and which impulses are given by COLLIN?
I think it can be very short. I think if you look at the global market for Dr. COLLIN, it's interesting and challenging. Especially if you look at the Asian market, which is developing quite quickly. Perhaps Dr. Darin can say something more. If you look at Southeast Asia, very, very important. And also see the opportunities for our products. Like I said, interesting, challenging.
Yes, so we're looking forward for the next year?
I am.
Yeah? Well, I think everyone does.
Absolutely.
Yeah, thank you. What are the key points for you in the area of product development?
I think the most important point in product development is not a point of product development, it's a point of the market. You have to know what the need in the market is, because the best product you will be unsuccessful if nobody wants it. The second point is to have a very clear approach, have ideas, collect these ideas, make decisions, and keep your focus on the goal. So that's the key issues in the product development.
Sounds easy.
It's easy.
It is easy. Dr. Euler, you're from the States, so can you give us a glimpse into the American market? How is the current situation of the plastic processing industry and which developments can we expect there?
Right now, the industry in the United States is still doing very well. It's going strong. For us, COLLIN Lab Pilot Solutions, we had over the past year some really good leads, discussions with customers, some increased number of new inquiries from new as well as existing customers for really nice projects. So I think we're looking into the future with a fairly good perspective to realizing at least some of these projects.
The Asian market, what are the focal points of the Asian bioplastic industry market?
Okay, talking about the bioplastic is quite, it's not quite new, but still, this is a new animal to us. Right now, the problem is that, not only the cost of the resin itself, the processing also is very important. So this is the reason why I'm here to be with the processing manufacturer, because they still have need some improvement of the machine, and also together with the cost improvement of the resin itself. This is the point. So bioplastic is a very growing plastic in the world. So maybe tomorrow I will talk about a little bit about the bioplastic market. Okay.
Well, thank you all very much. Please a big applause for the honors.